Hello guys, welcome to the review of Sell It Picks. And what if I told you that you can do something like this, like you can send a personalized name to your audience on a mail like this, and you can do on landing pages like you can the user will receive his own name like Rohit. And what if I told you you can also send this on social media like this? So I'm going to cover up everything, so stay tuned till the end of this video, and I'm going to review Sell It Picks. Before starting this review, I have written an article on Sell It, and I also talked about the OTOs and upsells. So you can go and check out all the upsells. But I have also added some of my bonuses if you pick up Sell It Picks with one of my links here, or one of these links here. I've also included a coupon here, so you can get extra off on my coupon, and you can just click on this link and you can get all the bonuses. So if you love, or if you want to try this software, so you can go on the link in the description of this video and you can get all my bonuses plus the coupon code. So this is the dashboard of Sell It Picks, and here you have many things like generated images, campaigns, templates, and the credits. And you have to, of course, buy the credits. So if you are on a pro pack, I think they give some kind of credits on monthly basis. So let me walk through everything. So as you can see, there is a template, means they have their own templates, and you can also create by you, means your own templates. So you can create your own templates too. So you, for example, if you want to add your own images or something like that, you want to put your own photos on your campaigns, on your email campaigns, so you can do that. For example, I'm going to create a campaign here, and I'm going to give it a name of Gigi, and I want to add this campaign. So what it will do, it creates a full-on campaign for me. And now as you can see, the image is not loading on my PC because I have a different resolution kind of a PC. So here you have to put a name. And I'm going to show you how you can automate names on your emails also. So as you can see, you can put a name. For example, here I put Govin, and if I want this pic to be generated for a social, of course I have to add a landing page. So I'm going to give it, so let me I have also to update the campaign also. So here, and if I go to generate, and I have to just copy this link, and if I send it on LinkedIn, for example, so I can hey, here is your discount. So I just send it, and now wait few seconds and let's see what happens. As you can see, here is the Govin name on that image, right? And if I click on this link, it will directly be redirect to the landing page. So as you can see, you can do this, and what really happens here, if I go to share, for example, if you want to generate an image for sharing, you can directly copy it here and you can share it. And if you want to generate it for a landing page, you have to just copy it and paste it. For example, I have a link here. So on the first name, I have to write the name. For example, I'm going to write Rohit. So it shows Rohit. If I put on any other name, it will show a different name. So this kind of thing can be done, but the more importantly is that we can use it on email marketing. So how you can use it on email marketing? So let me show you. You just have to copy this code to your email software. I have already added it to my email software, and for example, you have to insert an HTML block as I have already added it, and you just have to it totally depends on your software. You just have to go here and give the full name, the personalization name. For example, on the code, what happens, like let me put a code here so you will understand it better. So as you can see, I'm going to delete it, and now what I have to do, I have to add an HTML block. It totally depends on the builder you are using. I'm just going to paste it, and now I'm going to save it. Now what will happen, it will show a first name, but my email marketing software recognize this as a name or a full name. So I have to copy it, and I have to go to this, and I have to search for first name. For example, heading 1. So if you find these things complicated, don't worry guys, they have added all the trainings on the help section, so you can find these things. So as you can see, I have added, I have to just save it, and for example, now I want to test this particular mail, so I can go to send, and I am going to send this test mail, and as you can see on my email, I have got an email. So as you can see, Rohit Khanayat, and don't worry about the quality, it is the best in the world. So as you can see, so how cool is that you can send, for example, I can add my own images, so that is quite a bit thing. And also you can get all the trainings and all these things on the help section. So as you can see, they have included every training, so don't worry that how you are going to use the software. And there is much more. For example, if you want to generate a landing page URL, I have just showed you. For example, you can just copy it, and you can you have to just change the name. For example, again I'm going to add Rohit on my landing page, and now it is going to show as Rohit. So this is the software itself. You can do many things more, but I really like the email part and the social media part of it. Also you can do it on landing pages, but it is a kind of a thing that you have to send a different link of for different people. But on the social media, yes, you have to also do it for social media, but there is a bigger outreach on social media that will be there. For example, what will happen here, that you can create these kind of, for example, if you are sending a hello or interesting commercial or taxation system, and what if you can directly add the name on the images like this, like we have added already, like this. So this is kind of a thing that really drives traffic, attention. You can hyper market yourself or hyper personalize yourself to your audience, so they're going to love it. When it is a marketing psychology or a selling psychology. When you when you speak your customer name, they become a little bit happy or a little bit more confident. So it can really change the way you market. I'm damn sure you are going to get 2x conversions on your mails. On your mails, that is definite, and on your social media too, if you are outreaching something. And they also have some upsells about the outreach and all these things. So this is how the software really works. They have more templates here. For example, you can go to more templates and do more things here, as you can see. you can have more templates, more things, and everything is there. And you can also like see the campaign request. So as you can see the campaign request, so whether they have clicked or not, so everything is going to like that was a dynamic link or a manual link, so everything is there. So don't get confused, guys. Like the software is like is a quite a bit many things, it does many things. So I will not able to show you everything, because you can find this on the training, and I'm also going to give you some bonuses if you pick up this particular software. I really like this software. I'm going to use it on my own email marketing campaigns. As a marketer, it really helps me to get more personalized with my audience. So as you can see on my page, you will find the upsells, and you can also get the bundle deal. What happens on the bundle deal, right? You can get all the OTOs here. You can get all the OTOs, like if you run already the Facebook ads and all these things. This particular software I'm using it right now. If you need a video on this, or if you need any help, so I can give it to you. So they are also including cold email marketing prospects, a SaaS application they have like email marketing. So they have included an OT of agency, means you can sell this software and take 100% of the amount you sell. And they have also included an pro. What happens in pro, you will upgrade and means you get unlimited credits, right? So if you don't want to buy credits, you can buy this particular OTO and you can get unlimited OTOs. So unlimited credits there. And you can see all these things, and we have a bonus here. So do check out my link on the description of this video. Thank you guys.